During the fall time, St. Augustine, the nation's oldest city, has a mysterious vibe with its centuries-old streets, ancient cemeteries, and historic buildings. Ghost tours run late into the night, including haunted trolley rides and lantern-lit walking tours that take you to the city's most famous paranormal hotspots, like the Old Jail and the St. Augustine Lighthouse. Outside of town, farms like Sykes open their corn maze and pumpkin patch, making it easy to mix in some classic fall fun. Even the beaches and parks like Anastasia State Park feel different this time of year. Whether you want history, music, outdoor adventures, or something a little spooky, St. Augustine has a little bit of everything to keep your trip fun and memorable. Here are the top 10 things you must do when exploring St. Augustine. Number 1. Take a ghost and gravestones tour. Cruise through the oldest streets in America on a trolley that looks like it rolled straight out of a horror movie, complete with flickering lanterns and an old-timey vibe, while a guide tells creepy stories about real-life hauntings. The tour isn't just sightseeing either. You can actually get off the trolley to explore famously haunted locations like the Old Jail, where prisoners once lived in pretty harsh conditions. You can walk through the cells, see original artifacts, see the gallows, and hear first-hand accounts of the eerie events that supposedly still occur there. Many visitors and paranormal investigators claim to feel sudden cold spots, hear mysterious footsteps, or even see shadowy figures in the hallways and cells. It's not just fun, it's the perfect mix of history, mystery, and just the right amount of scary. Number 2. Visit the lighthouse. Visiting the St. Augustine Lighthouse is an adventure at any time of the day, and it changes depending on when you go. During the day, climbing the 219 steps to the top gives you amazing views of the city and Matanzas Bay, which is perfect for photos or just soaking in the scenery. You can explore the Lighthouse Museum, see historic artifacts, and walk around the beautiful surrounding grounds filled with gardens and picnic spots. At night, the lighthouse takes on a completely different vibe. During ghost tours or special nighttime events, the building feels a little eerie, with stories of ghostly sightings and unexplained sounds adding chills to the climb up. The dark sky, the glowing beam, and the quiet of the water offers a thrilling contrast to the bright, breezy daytime visit. Regardless whether it's sun or moonlight, the lighthouse is a must-see spot. Number 3. Stroll through historic downtown. The cobblestone streets are lined with colorful Spanish-style buildings, boutique shops, art galleries, cafes, and historic buildings that have stood for hundreds of years. You'll find landmarks like the Cathedral Basilica of St. Augustine, the oldest Catholic church in the U.S., and the picturesque Plaza de la Constitucion, where locals and tourists gather for events or just to relax. You can also step inside the oldest schoolhouse built in 1716, which shows what education was like for children during colonial times with recreated classrooms and period artifacts. There are also plenty of museums, like the Lightner Museum, which showcases art and antiques in a stunning old hotel, and the Pirate and Treasure Museum, perfect for hands-on learning and interactive exhibits. Throughout the area, street performers entertain with music, magic tricks, or acrobatics. Number 4. Tour Castillo de San Marcos. Visiting Castillo de San Marcos, the historic fort in St. Augustine, is like stepping back into the 1600s. Built by the Spanish in 1672, it's the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States, with massive coquina stone walls that have survived cannon fires, storms, and centuries of history. Here you can imagine what it was like to defend the city from pirates and invading armies, while the views of the waterfront are absolutely stunning. Inside, you'll find exhibits on the fort's history, colonial weapons, and what daily life was like for the soldiers stationed there. Rangers often give live demonstrations like musket firing or storytelling sessions, making the experience both educational and exciting. Whether you're a history buff, a photographer, or just someone who loves exploring epic old buildings, the fort is not something you want to miss. Number 5. Get lost in a corn maze. If you want a classic fall activity, Sykes Family Farm is located just outside St. Augustine and is perfect for pumpkin season fun. The huge maze is perfect to navigate with family and friends and is challenging enough to keep everyone strategizing together to find a way out. Beyond the maze, the farm has a lot of other activities, such as hay rides, a pumpkin patch, a petting zoo, and plenty of photo spots. The fall decorations, scarecrows, and seasonal vibes make it feel festive and fun. It's a perfect daytime adventure before heading back into town for haunted tours, shopping, or grabbing a bite to eat in historic St. Augustine. Number 6. Visit the Fountain of Youth. According to legend, this is the spot where explorer Ponce de Leon searched for the magical waters that could restore youth. While you might not actually turn younger, the park is packed with fun things to do and see. You can explore a reconstructed Timucua Native American village, where guides show traditional crafts, cooking methods, and tools. You can even try some of these activities yourself. Walk through the Spanish colonial exhibits to see blacksmithing, cannon demonstrations, and period-style gardens. There's the famous spring where visitors can sample the fountain water, along with picnic areas and shady spots to relax. Peacocks roam freely across the grounds, and there are plenty of photo opportunities with scenic overlooks and historical buildings. The park also hosts live demonstrations and educational skills, making it not just fun, but a full day of learning about Florida's first European explorers, early settlers, and the indigenous people who lived in the area long before them. Number 7. Take a historic walking tour. Doing a historic walking tour in St. Augustine is one of the best ways to explore the city's past up close. As you stroll along the streets, a knowledgeable guide shares stories about the city's founding, Spanish colonial history, and the lives of pirates, soldiers, and settlers who lived here centuries ago. You'll pass iconic landmarks like the Cathedral Basilica, the old city gates, and centuries-old homes, while learning little-known facts and legends that bring history to life. Walking tours often include stops at hidden courtyards, historic shops, and other tucked-away spots you might miss on your own. It's a fun, immersive way to see the city at your own pace, while soaking in the atmosphere, taking photos, and imagining what life was like hundreds of years ago. Number 8. Visit the Colonial Quarter. During the day, you can wander cobblestone streets, peek into historic buildings, and watch costumed interpreters demonstrate trades like blacksmithing, musket drills, and colonial cooking, giving you a real sense of what life was like in the 17th and 18th centuries. However, when the sun sets, the quarter transforms. You have lanterns cast flickering light across the streets, shadows on the old walls, and guides that lead evening tours full of spooky stories, legends, and ghostly encounters tied to the city's long history. You will hear tales of colonial soldiers, pirates, or mysterious spirits that are said to still roam the streets. The courtyard taverns sometimes host music or themed events, and the historic buildings are lit in ways that make photography stunning. Number 9. Visit the San Sebastian Winery. Located just a short drive from downtown, this family-owned winery offers tours that show how their wines are made start to finish, from grape selection to bottling. You can sample a wide variety of wines, including tropical fruit-infused flavors unique to Florida like key lime, mango, and blueberry. The tasting room is relaxed and inviting, and during the fall, the winery hosts a variety of fall-themed activities like live music on the patio, pumpkin-flavored wine specials, and local food trucks serving seasonal treats. The grounds are also decorated with autumn decor, giving it a festive, cozy vibe that's perfect for photos. Number 10. Enjoy Anastasia State Park. After all the history and haunted adventures, it's nice to unwind at Anastasia State Park. You can hike trails, watch wildlife, kayak in calm waters, or just relax on the beach. In the fall, it's less crowded than in the summer, and the cooler weather makes exploring the park even more enjoyable. It's the perfect mix of nature and relaxation to round out your St. Augustine trip. There are so many things to do in St. Augustine, but visiting the places on this list will make for a completely full and memorable trip. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and as always, thank you for watching.